जब मैं कराची जाती हूँ और मैं वापस घर आती हूँ और मैं जब कमरा छोड़ के जाती हूँ, मैं जल्दी में पैकिंग करती हूँ, कचरा करके जाती हूँ कमरा, बट व्हेन आई कम होम माई रूम इज क्लीन, इट्स स्क्वीकिंग क्लीन. इट्स नॉट कि वो फिजिकली झाड़ू लगा रहा होता है, बट ही मेक्स श्योर कि there's new sheets, there's a new towel, there is the bathroom is clean, everything is compartmentalized as it needs to be. And these like little things that make your life, you know, that कंसिडरेट होना होता है आपको. जब आप कंसिडरेट होते हो तो वो रिफ्लेक्शन होती है कि आप रिस्पेक्ट करते हो किसी को.
सेम फॉर यू, आई एम श्योर आप भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का ख्याल करती होंगी.
Yeah, I try.
Are you romantic? Do you want these big gestures of romance? Yeah.
I don't know how to react to like.
Seriously?
Yeah, I never know like.
So has he ever done something that you like? अच्छा मैं कैसे इसको react करूँ?
हाँ, when he first gave me the ring ना, way before we got married. Like I think हमारी शादी से 2 साल पहले he just gave me the ring. तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं क्या करूँ.
बेचारा, I'm feeling bad for him.
I was sitting in a car and he उसने प्लान किया था कि सुशी पे जाएंगे और सुशी इतनी बुरी थी जहाँ मैं उसको ले गई. I was like so sorry, मुझे पता नहीं था कि he has planned something. तो बुरी सुशी थी तो वहाँ से हम उठ के फिर हम गाड़ी में बैठे. He's like I don't know, बस मुझे like I have to do it now. I was like
okay,
what? So he pulled like he was a ring in his hand. And it was a big gesture.
Yes.
But I didn't know like how to react. I was like, oh my god, like wow, yes, it's really nice. But what do I do? Like how I didn't know how to show my excitement. मेरा ये मसला I think I don't know if I've like talked about it before, but मेरी body को नहीं पता कि कुछ celebrate कैसे करना है. So even when the biggest things happening, I am very like वो जो हैप्पी केमिकल्स होते हैं ना वो उस टाइम पे नहीं आते हैं. वो
तो शादी पे क्या किया था आपने? पहले से हैप्पी केमिकल्स को
बस
कुछ करना शुरू किया था कि
कोई उस तरह की एक्साइटमेंट लाइक समथिंग बिग इज हैपनिंग मे बी फॉर अ मोमेंट.
Has life made you like this?
Yeah.
है?
Of course, yeah.
Like what happened maybe in बचपन या?
No, I think it happened after like I lost my brother. So like 8 years ago. 9 now actually. So it was, you know, so you sometimes think कि ये इंसान तो हमेशा होगा ज़िंदगी में. So like I'm the youngest घर पे, तो जब when I lost my brother I was like what the hell just happened. So कभी भी इतना खुश नहीं होना और कभी भी I think sadist तो मैं खैर बन गई हूँ, पर कभी इतना खुश नहीं होना कि सैड जब आप हो तो वो आपको शॉक दे आपकी बॉडी को. So
आपको गिल्ट फील हो खुश होते हुए?
हाँ,
Does
like
that happen?
I think so. Like I don't know. I haven't thought about guilt, but I make sure कि बस आप पे से बाहर ना हो मेरी खुशी. और जब इस तरह की चीज़ें भी होती हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल I remember मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरा पेप्सी का बिलबोर्ड देखा तो पागल हो गए. Like everyone sending me like, oh you're everywhere. I didn't feel anything. Like I was like, okay, yeah, so nice. I felt great that my friends are so supportive. पर ये एक achievement है तो हाँ, so achievement जो है ना वो मुझे achievement feel नहीं होती. Is a masla in life.
But that also is keeping you very grounded, I feel.
I feel. And I think
it's not getting to your head, I feel.
I think it's also one of the reasons that I choose to be okay with how this is. क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती कि मैं जो दूसरे लोगों के साथ होते हुए देख रही हूँ वो मेरे साथ कभी हो. People get out of their heads and become a different person. Arrogance, I want to stay far away from it. I would rather feel guilty than be arrogant.
I think losing your brother at such a young age must have been very, very devastating. And आप लोगों की जो आप बता रही हैं कि दोस्ती भी थी और आप लोग you know act और वो साथ कुछ
definitely.
तो I can imagine like it takes a long time to get out of it and to see फिर आपके loved ones like your mother's reaction to that loss.
Yeah, like it's a broken family. Yeah, you can never you know mend a mother or father who lose their child. Like
so आप double tragedy face कर रहे होते हैं ना. एक तो loss and then to see your parents go through that pain. I think that is just something that you cannot
you
ever
can't
adjust to. So what happened? If you want to talk about it.
No, I love talking about him because you know like he formed me into the person I am. मैं बचपन में बहुत लड़ाका होती थी. मेरा भाई मुझे कराटे सिखाता था. We would fight and he made sure कि मुझे कोई bully ना कर सके स्कूल में, और मुझे लड़ाई आती हो, I can protect myself. And जब you know when आप 12th grade पास करते हैं तो you have to decide कि मैंने अब क्या करना है लाइफ में, तो he fought कि no, she is an artist, हम इसको artist बनने देंगे नहीं, बनाना computer scientist नहीं बनाना.
Okay,
So like he took, like he would take a stand for me. My sister is more like the girly girl. अम्मी अब्बू जो आप कहेंगे वो मैं करूँगी ज़िंदगी में. The mama papa's child, and he was like the A grader, so he would like take a stand for me. And opinionated जो जितनी मैं हूँ, I think वो मैं इसीलिए हूँ क्योंकि I was allowed to form my own opinions. तो आफ्टर ही वाज गॉन, तो उसके ना ज़िंदगी के 16 साल के ना जर्नल्स उसने लिखे हुए, तो आई गॉट टू नो हिम पढ़ के इवन बेटर. ही वाज अ ग्रेट पोएट आल्सो इन हिज ओन टाइम. तो फिर आई डिसाइडेड कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी एग्जैक्टली हु आई वांट टू एंड ही saw me becoming. So he said that you're not going to live a normal life and just, you know, do what your heart wants to. So he had asthma. Sorry, he had an attack in his sleep. Unfortunately, his wife was next to him, but she couldn't save him. He woke up. उसने खुद ही गाड़ी drive की, hospital पहुंचा. I'm so sad because he was alone when he, you know, he had his last breath. So I broke down at the hospital door, और उनको नहीं बता सका कि
ये मसला है,
give me a shot or whatever. So yeah, I was very, you know, the entire family is so devastated. But you find your way to maneuver around these feelings.
अल्लाह के हर फैसले में कोई बेहतरी होती है, हम उसको कभी समझ नहीं पाते.
Yeah. And
Especially
everyone-
at this point in time, I think it's so difficult that no matter what anyone says, whatever you know, वो आपका loss कभी भी fulfill नहीं हो सकता.
There is a
And you
whole-
miss him at every point in time, I'm sure.
Obviously, whenever I have I think, so achievements don't feel like achievements because, you know, you can't celebrate with those who made you become this person. So it's a whole.
चलिए अल्लाह उनको जन्नत में जगह दे और आप लोगों को और भी ज़्यादा हौसला दे टू गो थ्रू दिस डिफिकल्ट टाइम, विच आई फील वो सारी ज़िंदगी रहता है आपका, यू नो. Coming back to, I really
A
find
lighter
it
note.
Lighter note. You guys, this group of people like Hakan, you, Zarar, and you know all these like starting together, mashallah.
Yeah.
So मुझे ना मैं कल भी questions लिख रही थी, मैं यार कितने मजे की चीज़ें, आप लोग आगे जाएंगे ना, आप लोग पीछे क्या देखा कर, यार हमने ये किया था वो किया था, आप लोग जिंदगी में और बिजी हो जाएंगे, बट ये जो यादें वो हमेशा रहेंगी साथ ना.
Yeah, absolutely. हम ये सोचते हैं कि you know, जब भी मुझे कोई प्रोजेक्ट आता है या था, तो मैं I would call Khakan and be like, do you know this person?
Yeah.
What do I need to know? Tell me now. So before going on Google, I would like call him, or like call Daniel, and now I also call Hamza.
Okay.
So like we've formed this like, it's a friend. I'm glad that I met these people before I went into the industry. We were friends and we started together क्योंकि we knew कि हमारी दोस्ती है, और
कौन है हम,
कौन
you
है.
know the real you know.
Yeah.
And also I feel, you know, कि फ्यूचर में जब भी आप लोग काम करोगे तो मजा आएगा स्टेप पे,
Yeah.
यू बी यू नो एक्साइटेड कि मैं दानियाल के
Yeah.
साथ या हमजा
Yeah.
या मैं खाकान के साथ.
Yeah.
खाकान बोलता है नहीं तुम्हारा पहला प्रोजेक्ट मेरी वजह से आया था, कितनी बार सुन चुकी है.
नहीं,
था?
actually
That's very sweet of you.
no. That is very unlike him also.
I didn't say that, Kaka. She's
No,
saying
but
it,
he
your
does.
friend.
He's very unlike him.
Yeah.
Because I say it all the time, like he doesn't have to.
And you have so many guy friends, you know, male friends. So do you feel ये जो नई आपकी एज की जो जनरेशन है of you know young guys, boys, are they also as emancipated and as you know empowered as the females are of your generation? Do you feel that उनके अंदर भी ये जर्नी हुआ है? क्योंकि औरतों में तो डेफिनेटली एक चेंज आया है, राइट? लड़कियां तो अब एम्बिशियस हैं, करियर को बहुत स्ट्रांग लेती हैं, they know how to stand up for it. But are we seeing the same kind of reciprocal change in point of view from men's point of view?
I think men are always like, they are built in a way कि उनको पता है कि they have to make it or break it. Like